Okay, this side's a 10mm for the strut bolt on the bottom. Oh, it doesn't quite want to just pull out. Where's the channel? I said we're over here. Let's see if we can wiggle it out. Okay, we're gonna have to support something here somehow. Maybe just a screwdriver here to take the pressure off of that bolt. Okay, we'll just get a flat head and see if we can take the pressure off of this to pull the bolt out. Maybe. There we go. Just slowly let the pressure off and see where this wants to go. Okay, the whole bike just kind of sat down a little bit. We only have the pressure of the one side on this right now. This axle nut, I don't have the right size for it, but it's not horribly tight. This is a locking nut from what it appears to be. Over here, kid. Okay, so there's our nut. Now, this bracket here, we can take this stuff here out for the strut. We'll just set that off to the side. Now this kind of sits like so. We're going to lightly put everything together and get it situated. So the bigger holes go on this side here. Bigger hole spacers, whatever you want to call them. Okay, now we're going to put our bolt back in here. Get everything kind of lined up. It's not getting real tight in there. How is this actually designed to be held in place? So, okay, so this just bottoms out on the inside here. If we want to make it tighter, we can find a washer to slide in there or something. It's pretty snug, ain't gonna go anyplace. If for some reason I hear a rattle back here or something, which I don't think I will, we can put a washer in there. Okay. I think I'm going to see if I can find a washer to go in there. Maybe not right this moment. Okay, so there's that. I tightened it up rather than just snugging it up. Whatever. I might as well just tighten this one up too because this bracket is right where it wants to go. Okay. Oops. Now, for the strut, so I'm gonna go through the washer over here. Yeah, maybe we don't need that spacer for this. The strut's already got a spacer in it. And this is the same size. So this spacer here obviously fits really good on here, whereas this is extremely loose. So we got to push this other spacer out and put this one in. Back to our trusty 40-year-old channel locks here. See if we can use this as a mini press and push it right through. So it's working. I don't know if you can see anything in the back side, but we're slowly pushing it out. Just get this lined up where it needs to be. And push it some more. Oh, there we go. Now we're going good. Okay. Now we're going to push this all the way through the rubber. Fits in there really nice. Evenly on both sides. Okay. A little bushing in there. We're going to wash her on each side. Push it all the way through. We're going to get a nut on the back side. Try to see what size that is first. We'll stick it through. Is 19 millimeter on the back side. So, and 19 on both sides. So we'll get our 19 millimeter wrench to hold it on the back, and I'll run the bolt right into it to hold it in place.
Oh, I see how this how this went.
Yeah.
It used to be there, and then you moved it over there.
Yeah. Basically, you're moving the position of the strut backwards, so the whole thing sits further down. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, so we'll get our wrench back here. I'm going to put a socket on this side, and then it's tight. Okay, so there's one thing I don't like about this. This is loose. This bolt doesn't go all the way through. I think we got an extra washer here that we don't need. I'm taking one of these washers out, and we're gonna move it over there. This is a locking nut right here. It's got a nylon in there. This bolt didn't even make it down to the nylon when it was in there. It was about here. So we're gonna take the washer out that's in between these. We'll leave this washer in there. Come on, get in there. Okay. Now, let's see. Now we should be able to actually get this thing to get down into the nylon with a locking nut to hold it in place. Okay. Now we're into the nylon back there. Okay, so this side we got this installed. This nut here is tightened up over here. I got the bolt going through here. I only used the outside washer. The inside washer just seemed kind of like a waste. This is tightened up down here. Now there's some play in here. I'm gonna have to see if I can find a thin washer to fit in there just to kind of snug it up. That's not gonna harm anything, but it might rattle or something. So let's go over onto this side here.